today we are using puff pastry to create some little wraps. Now this is a really versatile recipe because you can actually put whatever filling you want into it. You don't necessarily have to copy what I'm doing. I'm going to be using some grated mozzarella. We've got some pesto and also some sun-dried tomatoes. So you can make these vegetarian, or you could maybe do these with cheese and bacon. You could use ham. There's so many things that you could put in here. Use lots of different cheeses if you wish to. They are super delicious. I've got some leftover pastry, so I'm only making a couple of these today to show you, but most definitely you can use a whole roll of puff pastry and make several of these in one go. I hope you like the recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button for me. And if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. We make everything in the Ninja Foodi, including air fryer recipes. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it helps me so much. Lastly, if you want a full copy of this recipe that is also printed, head over to my website www.susannahskitchen.uk, and you can also grab a copy of my brand new cookbook over there as well. So thank you for watching today. Let's go and cook. Today I'm showing you a really quick and easy, can I call it a recipe? It's not really a recipe, is it? But it's just something nice that you can make in your Ninja, and it's really versatile. I've got a little bit of puff pastry left. Now, of course, if you've got more puff pastry, you can make more of these. But sometimes this is just a really great recipe for using things up. You can put all sorts of things into these. So these are my little wraps. You can put in cheese, tomato, bacon, ham. It just, it's completely up to you what you add into them. I'm going to start off with some pesto. So I'm making these as veggie ones. So a little bit of pesto on each, and I'm just going to spread that out. Lovely. So I'm using red pesto because that's just what I had in my fridge, but green pesto would be lovely in these as well. I'm going to layer mine up with some sun-dried tomatoes as well. Let's pinch a little bit more from that one, make it a bit more even. And then I'm going to be adding cheese, whatever cheese you've got. Mozzarella, you can use a thick slice. You don't have to use grated, but I've got the grated cheese, so I'm using that. And this really couldn't be any easier, could it? So you're just literally layering these up with whatever filling you want. I do suggest that you use some sort of cheese though in these, because that is going to melt and make them really super delicious. And all you want to do is pick up the corners. So fold this in like that, and then get the other corner and fold them over and stick that together. And that has created your little turnover. So that is what we're looking at there. Both the corners pulled in, stuck together, and that is ready to be put into the Ninja. I'm going to air fry these. I'm just going to finish the other one, and I'm going to show you how I'm doing it in the air fryer. So I've decided to put mine in the air fryer basket, and I've got some parchment on the bottom there, just to avoid those from sticking. To get a lovely golden pastry, you can just give those a little bit of a brush there, look at that. And you can choose to do that with, I normally do egg, but I didn't really want to use a whole egg just for 2 of these. It didn't really seem worth it. So I've just got a little bit of milk that I'm putting onto them. Of course, it's optional. You don't need to do that, but it does help make the pastry crisp and golden. I'm going to air fry these on 180. And I think they're going to take around 15 minutes. 15 minutes was absolutely perfect for these. Look at those. Absolutely bursting with filling. They look so crisp and golden. Absolutely gorgeous. Give them a go. Let me know what filling you use and if you enjoyed them.